This is ChatLLM Teams by Abacus.AI, a powerful platform that brings together the best AI models in one place. GPT 4.1, Claude 3, Gemini 2.5, Sonnet, LLaMA, DeepSeek, and more, available with a single subscription. But this isn't just another chat app. ChatLLM Teams gives you tools to execute code, generate documents, create videos and images, chat with PDFs, and even build full websites and apps using Deep Agent. The link is in the description. You can try it out while watching this video. Unlike other platforms that lock you into one model, ChatLLM gives you the right model for every task. With LLaMA, the system can even choose the best model automatically based on your question. Let's take a look at how it works. First, image generation. Click the image tab and type "Generate an image of a cat." Click the button, and just like that, you have a unique AI-generated image. Now let's try some code. Click the Code tab, type "Generate a sign-in button." The platform responds instantly with working code. Need a more focused workspace? Go to the Code Playground tab. Type "Create a bubble sort function" in Python. The playground launches and generates clean, readable code. You can follow up with prompts like "Add an insertion sort function." Everything updates in seconds. Back on the main page, you can even create PowerPoint slides. Let's generate a basic presentation on environmental cleanliness. Type the request. ChatLLM follows up with a few clarifying questions. Choose environmental cleanliness for personal initiatives, and it builds your entire slide deck for you. But there's much more. The deep research feature uses AI to search the internet and pull together accurate, useful information on any topic. There are also tools for text-to-speech, humanizing your writing, generating professional documents, creating AI videos, and even building chatbots with no code. Your subscription gives you 2 million compute points every month. That's enough for about 15 million tokens or hundreds of high-quality images and videos. Some models like DeepSeek and LLaMA are free to use with no limit. If you ever need more compute power, you can top up, and any unused credits carry over to the next month. All of this is available for just $10 per user per month. ChatLLM Teams brings together every top-tier model and every essential AI tool into one easy-to-use platform. Whether you're building, researching, writing, or creating, ChatLLM saves time, boosts productivity, and makes AI work for you. Click the link in the description and try ChatLLM Teams today.